In August last year, we started this test where we compared two sister colonies to see which one will perform better. One colony was fed only with sugar, while the other one was left with its own honey. Both of them survived the winter, which you saw in the last video, but now let's see which one is performing better in the spring. Just to let you know, I did some mistakes and they currently have no food, so they are extremely aggressive. So we are continuing with sugar versus honey, and the thing is, over here I actually gave them honey last time, so you can see over here that they have this, and this is actually honey. So this is first time in like 170 days that I actually gave them honey instead of sugar. So today we are going to replace this, so we are basically going to give this one to this one, and then I'm going to give them actual sugar water. So this is 500 milliliters of water and 1 kilo of sugar. The thing is, now is extremely early. It's still February and I never gave them syrup this early, especially in this area over here. So I think this is wrong, but we are going to test it anyway. So those have some pollen, and you can see honey is actually already almost dry. So I actually didn't bring my self smoker, so this will work. They're actually really good on the size already. So now we have this. Those are huge, but they will actually not drink that in like 1-2 days. And thing with doing it this way is that this can actually like stay for longer. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just pinch it a bit with this stick, with this thing like needle, just small. I don't want to make huge hole because I don't want to spill it. Only thing which I want to do is I actually want them to smell the honey, I mean the sugar, and then they're gonna do the chew this on their own. So if I do it like this, there is nothing spilling, but if I press a bit harder, you can see over here it's a bit starting to drip. So now you just take this and you throw it in nature. I'm just joking. Alright, so this we put on top of the brood. And now we are just going to take this one and we will not make any holes, just because I want to see if there is any difference. And that's it. I just want to see if they're gonna chew it anyway, or they will not do it because they cannot smell the sugar. So just quick update, so they actually drink this one, so now it's like 2 days later, and this one they still didn't touch, so it was better to make some holes. So now I'm going to quickly do that as well. Alright, so I made I made hole through the top, so hopefully they're gonna notice it. Now we're gonna see if this is going to work or not. 2 days later, and they fully drink it, and this over here is empty. I can remove it if I want. Actually, I don't know why I even put this on top. So now we have this like that, and we are going to check the brood in like 4 days. So that's it. Alright, so I open hive, I remove one frame, so second frame from the right, and I just wanted to do inspection, but I decided I will actually finish this challenge, and because we can actually like declare the winner, because over here in this frame you can see there is the queen. I just saw it right now, first time I didn't, but over here I checked those two queen cell and they are still not with larva, but if they are here, they are new, and that actually means that soon they're gonna start swarming. So I need to put this box in 2, so I need to give them like 2 brood boxes. They are very mean.
I need to put 2 boxes, otherwise they're gonna swarm. And now we're gonna declare the winner, and then I'm gonna continue and just do the boxes. So hopefully they don't have more those queen cells which are actually full. So first frame, second frame, other side. They are actually very long. I didn't open them for very long time, but to be honest I didn't actually check the food, and that might be the issue. Maybe we actually need to put some sugar. So full frame of brood, no food, same over here, and over here where is supposed to be food, you can see that there is actually like larva and the brood, so they are missing a lot so far. Actually the frame which I took, the second frame, it has had some food. Right, they actually need food. So we have 3 really bad days, no food at all, and that's why they are probably mean. Right, it's actually good that I did inspection, because after this cold, like almost a week of cold weather, they would have some huge issue. Look at this frame. I mean, they're really mean. I cannot do anything. Eventually, they're gonna sting me because I'm in my shoes. Look at this frame. Beautiful. Oh, I almost didn't. So these frames are actually going out. They need second box. So this is the hive with only honey since spring. This is full empty, and it's whole with 1 day old eggs. Over here they are a bit older, but another side is like full with 1 day old eggs. This is actually insane. They are fully out of honey. So there is some honey. This is pollen, and there is some honey. No brood. Alright, that's not good. I'll put this closer. Actually, I need to put it on another side. But I'm just scared because Queen was on this frame, and I don't want to kill her. So I need to give them a lot of food. Alright, so this right now is full of food. So it's fully, and that's why maybe we need to find some middle. Not going to lie, they are really huge colony, only with honey, no sugar whatsoever. But to be completely honest, I do think that every single colony needs a bit of sugar, especially in the spring. Like you can see they are strong, everything is perfect, but holy, there is no honey whatsoever. And now we have very bad weather, and yeah, if I didn't do this, they would actually go behind so much, because we are getting like 7 Celsius for a few days in the day. Night is close to 0. And now colony which I'm feeding with sugar. So we all do agree that this one was weaker in the winter, in the like new season. But let's see now. I didn't open it at all. So right now I am as surprised as you are. Maybe bad, maybe not. You can see that they are really calm compared to another one, but we're gonna see after we open it. So a bit of sugar. Over here I do not see brood. Oh, actually this side I see. So So this over here is full of eggs, and this side over here there is none. Actually, I'm lying, it's full of eggs as well. So all of this is full of eggs. It's really hard to see. I don't think that you can see it either. It's just color of the it's like same color as eggs. Alright, so we do have frame of eggs. We do have honey over here as well, I mean sugar. Exiting brood. Actually, we do have some honey, sugar over here, but this frame is also empty with the honey, sugar, and this all is full of larvae. I actually think that I will need to go and feed them every single day with this bed weta, because you can see there is no food. Full of larvae, like whole frame is full of eggs. And you can see that they are so calm. Actually really nice. And gentle bees. Yeah, full frame. I do feel some weight on this one, but it seems like all the weight is from the brood. All of this is full of eggs as well, and there is just a bit of honey. I do feel weight. Alright, nice. We do have some food over here. So it's not that bad like last one, but it's really small amounts for the colony which is going in whole week without nectar. So I do need to feed them. I'll actually put it this way. They're gonna remove the honey. Oh, this is heavy. This frame is heavy. I actually didn't salve the queen. She's supposed to be marked with blue, like really nice frame. I think actually that I did rotate this for 180. I'm pretty sure I did. So this is very dark frame. I do not see inside. I do not see, sorry. This frame needs to go out, and there is the queen. So queen is alive, nice. The last one we are not going to check. Good. They are very gentle, I like them. But it could be because of food. Another one really don't have food. So then, the main question, which one is stronger? And for me, as someone who is beekeeping for 18 years, so honestly, for me, both of them are the same size. I do believe that honey one is maybe a bit stronger, but the thing is, all the bees there are kind of like on top, want to like bite me, sting me, and over here they are really calm. So I count it as that they are missing the food, and this one is so much more calm, and they are supposed to be sisters, even though this is marked yellow and this is marked blue. But I had marker from last year when this one was mating, and I was actually from the last year taking the same grafting larva from the same colony, so I know for sure that they are the same. And they were in the young bee yard, which means they were from the last year.